Hi friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show the demo on lookup component in SSIS. How lookup transformation useful to load data from source to destination. So lookup transformation is useful to compare the data in source document to the reference table having with one lookup column. That lookup column is same in both source data and as well as in destination table as well. So here there are 5 columns and 7 rows in my lookup source document, which is text document and comma separated value. So ID, name, salary, date of joining and department number. Department number I am using as a lookup ID, lookup column to compare the data in the department table, which is the reference table. So in the department table, it is 3 departments here: IT, admin, and HR. So in my source document also one department number, which contains the last in every row: 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. So out of this, 3 departments available in the department table, reference table, and fourth one is the it is not there in the reference table. So what lookup content is doing is it segregates the all 5 rows, that is matched records, into one table, and other 2 records into the non-matched records into the another table. I have one other table called lookup table. Currently there is no data. After running the package, all 5 records will dump to this table, and at the time of the creation of the package itself, I will create one more table. These 2 records will be pushed to in that table. Without wasting the time, let's jump into the demo. So this is my new package. I am dragging the data flow task into the control pane. Double click to configure the test source files. I will take the flat file source. Double click, new, browse. My source document is the lookup source document. Open, columns and advanced preview, everything is fine. And columns also, all 5 columns are appeared. So I am using now lookup transformation. This is my lookup transformation. I am just connecting the source to lookup transformation. Double click. By default is full cache and OLEDB connection manager. Here there are 4 components are there: file component, ignore failure, redirect rows to error output, and redirect rows to no match output. I am selecting the last one. And connection, I am getting new connection. My server name is admin, sample is my database. OK. And my reference table here is department table. I am selecting the table. Columns. While mapping the columns, we need to map department in input source to the reference table in department number. I want to map manually these 2 columns. For mapping, 8 mappings, and in input column it is department number, as well as in lookup column also department number. So make sure that data type for lookup column is the same in 2 tables before matching. Before matching 2 columns, you need to make sure once that data types are similar. Advanced and OK. Configuration done. Now I have my destination as 2 tables. This is one my destination. Make connection to my match output. Here my table is lookup table. Mappings are same. Okay. My next destination also, for loading the non-match records also, I am using the OLEDB destination. For that I am connecting this one. Double click. So I don't have any table to load the non-match records. I am creating the new one here called lookup non-match table. Or no match. Okay. Mappings correct. Okay. So everything is correct. Configuration is done successfully. Now after running the package, the 5 records, that matched 5 records are loaded to this table, lookup table, and non-matched records will load to lookup non-match table, which is not there in the right now to check. So currently this table also empty. So I am running the package now. See here, total 7 rows are moved from flat file source to lookup, and lookup transformation segregated the match records in this table, 5 rows in this table, and non-match records into this table. So this is how we need to segregate using the lookup component. Now we will check whether they are correctly loaded or not. Currently I stop this one and execute. So all 5 records departments without having 4th department. So I will check the other table which I created in SSIS package, lookup no match. Lookup no match. See, all 7 records, these 5 records matched records and 2 records are non-matched record. David and Surya having 4th department which is not there in the reference table. So this is how the lookup transformation is helpful to the developers. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching the video.